You guys there?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
So, should we just go over the part 2?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So a four-sided die has 4 possible outcomes for each roll. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Calculate the mean of this discrete random bit.
Okay.
I had a
Do you want
pen.
me to go through the process, or do you want
Sorry,
to do
I had a
that?
pen. Lost it. Okay. So I put a little chart there,
Mm-hmm.
and then so the values are 1, 2, 3, 4,
Mm-hmm.
and then your probability is all 0.5
Mm-hmm.
and so forth.
Yep.
So I got 2.5 as my random variable.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep. I do too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that considered the mean?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
the mean is the mean,
The
not
average.
what I meant. Okay, so then the next one is the deviation, standard deviation. Do you want to just go over the answer and see if we all agree?
Yeah, and I guess if we have differences, then we can go through the process.
Okay, I got 1.1180.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep.
Yep.
Okie doke. We know what we're doing.
Awesome.
Don't you guys find it easier though that you've got a something to plug the numbers into? I mean, you still have to figure stuff out, but I like that.
The formula.
Plug them in. Yeah, the formula. You just plug them in, and just remembering what they're called is going to be the tricksy part. But
are you guys doing this all by hand? Or are you able to do it on?
I did it by hand.
I did it by hand.
So did I.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just curious. I guess I'm not familiar enough to know how to do it on the program yet.
I'm assuming that they'll show us, like in one of the next assignments, how to put it in, or how to do the formulas in SPSS, but I think just because like last week they did do it by hand and then they did it in SPSS, but I'm assuming they'll do the same thing.
I sort of like having it by hand.
Mm-hmm.
Then I get the grasp of it, or get a little bit of it, and then move on to the computer part of it.
Yeah, I feel like I understand why they do that or how they get it when I do that first. Mm-hmm.
Okay. We want to go on to the quiz?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and then I don't know if you ladies want to, but when I did the homework, I don't know if you guys want to, I know we can kind of review that together if we want. Do you guys want to go over that when we have a little time today?
Yes.
Because I think I was a little confused on some of it.
I did okay. I just didn't do the last 3 because they didn't have the answers. And I was kind of confused how to find,
yeah, that's where I had the issues.
Instead of 15%.
Yeah, I didn't get that far, so.
Okay, do we want to go over the quiz first, and then whoever wants to stay?
Okay. Yeah, let's do the quiz.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see. 1 and 2 is easy.
Wait, let me get to it first.
No, I can
say one.
You're too quick. Oh, you guys. Okay, I'm a little slow on the uptake.
Oh, you're fine. Just let me know when you're all there, and we'll. You're fine.
Okay.
Okay, so it says give all your probability answers as decimals. For example, 0.1234. Do not give probability answers as percent. Human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. Use this data to answer the following question. Blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. To add them up.
I would say true. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Now I have to add them up, make sure they add up to 1. One I can't.
Yeah, I got one.
Yep.
Okay, so it's true.
Is true. What is the probability that a random selected person in the United States has blood type 0?
0.45.
0.45, yeah. Or do we need to put 0.45? I'm confused. Does it matter?
Well, with
Round 2 decimal places.
those
That's a
are
good
the
question.
proportions of the people that have it. We need to find the probability.
No, it would be 0.45. She's just wondering if we need to put the 0 in front of the point.
I don't think
Yeah.
so.
I don't think so either.
Okay, no, so just 0.45.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna put. I'll be brave.
I'm just going to tell you the truth. I'm just going to put 0.45 because that's how it's written up there. I'm just afraid it's going to be one of those things that where you forgot something and then it's
Uh-huh.
Yeah, last
Zero.
week
Like that.
I accidentally put an extra 0.
Uh-huh.
Got. What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type 0 blood?
So that's the one where you subtract it, right?
yeah. Okay.
So that would be 0.55.
0.55.
0.55. Okay. If you guys don't understand our questions, I'm just going to keep going unless someone yells at me. So,
Mhm.
It's okay.
Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a cancer or a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Answer the following questions. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? So there's 7.
Well, it's 1 out of 6, right? Or
1 out of
is there
7.
6 or 7 of
One
them?
at 7.
Oh, 7 bowls, sorry.
Uh-huh.
But
So
when you do
1 out,
1 out of 6, because you know 1 is
you take 1
Because
away.
the sample would be all 7, right? Because they're gonna randomly pick from the sample, so there would be
Right.
all 7
but
of
the
them in
ones
there.
that don't have it would be there's 6 of them, right?
Mm.
Hold
Well,
on
when we
just a
do
second.
that, okay, so when you look back at the blood, it has all the options there, and you have 1 out of 7 chance that it's going to be a bladder, one that has cancer, and a 6 out of 7 chance that it's going to be one that's not.
Not.
Right?
So it's,
Okay.
Does that make sense to you? Or does that sound still wrong?
No, that sounds right. I'm just trying to grasp my head around this stuff.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's
now 3 decimal places.
Mm-hmm.
Am I right? And it's 0.143?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Is that right?
1 divided by 7.
So 0.143. Okay.
Okay, 7.
In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It's very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate?
Dogs can detect events and dogs can detect.
I would say
So
the
do we
first
need to-
one.
Is this something
I think
that
the
we're
first
going to figure
one.
out the That's what I would say too, based on just the question. Is there like a trick that we need to figure out the math for this somewhere? Like figure out the probability or something? Okay.
Well, it says it's very unlikely that the dog would do this by random chance.
Right.
So, to me,
That's
that's
what Yeah.
does say that there's strong evidence.
It'd be a 0.4. It'd be 40%.
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah.
41% is how often he
Fix it out.
identified.
I would, yeah, it'd probably be the first one.
Okay. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. If you didn't know that.
Who doesn't know that?
The website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a plain bag of M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy?
So does this mean green's not part of the study?
No, they want
to
you
make
to
us figure it out.
Number 9.
Oh, okay. I was confused. I was like, wait.
We can figure out because it has to add up to 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be the next one. So, isn't it 1 and 6?
It'd be 0.13.
Okay. Oh, wait, I got 1.16. So,
If you look at the proportion, it should just be that the number that's under that color.
0.13.
but I thought that we were taking, so there are 6 possibilities, and then we're just taking one of those possibilities, so it's a 1 in 6 chance.
But if you read the question, it says that the distribution of the colors, so it's already giving you the distribution. So that's what the probability is. So that means that they don't have an equal amount of each color in a bag. They give more oranges than they do red.
If it had an equal amount, then it would be that.
Mm-hmm.
If what?
If there was an equal amount, then you would do the 1/6 of a chance. But because there's more yellow, there's more blue, there's more orange, and I don't know what green is.
Does that make sense?
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
0.13, and then what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? Yeah, he's coming back for you. Sorry.
Now we add them up.
So then you just add them up and subtract by 1. I mean 1, whatever.
1 subtract the numbers on.
So is it 0.16?
Mm-hmm. That's what I got.
You all good?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? So that would be 1 minus 0.16.
So it's 0.84, right?
Wait a minute, you guys. On that, sorry.
You're
On
okay.
that, isn't it all the ones that are there? So 1 minus.
You add all of them up. You add brown, yellow, red, blue, orange up.
And 0.6.
And then you subtract 1.
Or
1 minus
subtract
all
that.
those added up.
Okay, so it's 0.4.
Okay, so wait. So there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either add up the brown, yellow, red, blue, and orange numbers, and the green. No, I'm sorry, and then you subtract that number from 1, or you can take 1 and subtract the probability that you would get a green. Okay, so you take 1, subtract 0.16, because the probability that it's not a green is going to be.
You're on number 10, right, Annette?
No, I'm on number 8.
Oh.
I'm still on 8.
Well, that makes sense.
I mean, no, 9. Sorry, 9.
Okay, so 9 you're going to take 1 and subtract brown, yellow, red, blue, and orange.
Yeah, so that minus 0.6, right? That's what that.
Oh.
Okay, let me add them up again.
Where did you get the 0.6?
Hold on, let me figure it out again. I thought I added up everything. Oh, okay, got it. I did the wrong math.
Okay.
Okay, so hold on, 0.16. I guess the calculator's only as smart as the person running it, right? Okay. Okay, guys, I'm ready. So.
Did you get 10 then?
Okay.
So what is the probability that a random substance is not green? So that would be 0.84.
Yes.
Right? Yay!
Right.
Good job.
Okay. The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from CapEx.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Use the information from the public university to answer the following questions. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
That would be 24.
Because that's the median, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that makes
Yeah,
sense.
24.3, right?
Just 24.
Oh, 20.
Because you're looking for the median, not the mean.
Median. Okay, sorry.
Yeah. The median's the middle, and the mean changes, but the median's always the middle.
Based on the information on the
Yeah, that kind of screwed me up earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Did we get that? Anyone have trouble? Okay. Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number?
22?
That would be
No, it would be 27. The one's the top 25%. So it'd be your 75th percentile.
Oh, okay.
Ew. I read it backwards. Okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, I think they worded it so that we would think, oh, they want the 25th percentile.
They're trying to trick us. They're trying to trick us.
They were.
7. Okay, are we good on that? Does everyone understand that one?
Yep.
Which
Okay.
of the following statements is not?
Not one of the 3 rules of probability. The sum of the probabilities. Oh, sorry, I'm like reading the bottom. The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability it will occur. A probability is a number between 0 and 1. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. Okay, that one right there.
Yeah.
Some of the
Right.
probabilities.
Yep.
I'm like, that doesn't make sense.
No. Okay, so
Hey,
can we
do we
just
wanna
double check?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So hopefully we have true on these top
Uh-huh.
2.
Yeah.
Okay, and then 3 we have true.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
4.45.
Yes.
5.55.
Yes.
6.143.
Yep.
7, the top one, this provides strong evidence.
Yep.
8.13.
Mhm.
9.16.
Yes.
10.84.
Mm-hmm.
11.24.
Mm-hmm.
12.27.
Yeah.
And then the third one was the wrong one.
Yep.
All right.
Right.
Submit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we got 100.
Woohoo! All right.
Oh, we're smart today. Okay, so did you want to go over the homework?
I do, if you guys don't mind.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. Did you want to start at the beginning, or was there problems you guys had?
Well, I think I understood everything from the beginning. It was the last part.
Yeah, I don't get that either.
Okay.
So
Just
let
8,
me
9, and
see
10?
here. Where's my...
Yeah, I needed 8, 9, and 10, but I don't know what else.
Okay. So I can help you with those 3.
Yay! Somebody that's smart in our
Okay.
best.
Kind of confused.
Okay. So question number 8.
Okay, I just read it, and I understand it now. But go
Yeah.
ahead and... like, I don't know what my problem was yesterday.
The brain block. Okay, so it says using an information in the table, determine the probability that McDonald's stock will go up by less than 16% over the next year. So if you just look up at the chart, it wants it going up by less than 16%. So that would be 15% and 5% probability added together.
Yeah, I just figured that out.
Wait. Sorry, slow down for me. I'm just looking at the chart.
Okay.
I'm
So
looking
it
at the
wants to
McDonald's. We're looking at the...
Yeah.
Which chart are we looking at? I think this is where I'm getting confused.
The one right above number 7.
Okay, because I'm looking at the answer key and it looks different. Okay.
Yeah, the answers
Okay.
for 8 through 10 are not there.
They're not right.
Oh, okay.
So,
That's why I'm getting all
probably been
confused.
messing
Okay.
it up. Yeah.
So it says use the information in the table. Okay, and that answer ended up being what? Sorry.
0.46.
Sorry?
46.
0.46. So how did you get that again?
Okay, because it wants less than 16%. So if you look at the chart, it has 15% that's positive and 5% that's positive that are both under 16%. And so you just add those together. And that's your probability for less than 16%.
I don't know what I was reading yesterday, but then I read it through this morning and I'm fine. Like, really?
Okay. And then the next one, let's see, using the information in the table. Okay, explain this one to me, number 9.
Okay, so you can't determine that.
Okay.
Because we don't have the.
Maybe that's why I don't get it.
Can't be determined.
I can't figure it out. What the heck? Okay. You were thinking about missing.
Okay.
Is the answer up or?
So do you look and see how much? How do you figure that out? Do you look and see?
Well, we know that negative 10% is 0.14, and negative 30% is 0.1. So that would give us 0.24 for the probability to go down, and the probability to go up would be 0.49. So that's higher. So it's more likely that it's going to go up.
Okay, what? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so essentially, you have your positive change in price, the 60%, 15%, and 5%.
Okay.
You have your negative, so that would go down. So it would be negative 10 and negative 30%, right? And so if I add up the probability that it's going to go down, I get 0.15 or 0.24.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But if I add up the probability that it's going to go up, then I would get 0.49.
15 plus 0.31 plus 0.3. Oh, okay, got it.
And so it's higher probability that it's going to go up.
Got it.
So you're just basically adding the positive percentages together and adding the negatives to try to figure that out.
Yeah, the probabilities of the positives and the probabilities of the negatives and see which one's higher.
Got it.
I see.
Okay.
Where were you yesterday? I should have called you.
I texted you. And then you never.
My phone, I forgot to plug it in. So it's dead.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I was like, because I saw your question and I was like, oh, I'll help her out.
Thank you.
I tried, girl.
Hey, is there anybody else have any questions on anything? Can I just ask a question? Okay, so did you watch the supplementary video? Did you find the problem he had? That's all I want to know. I know we're not supposed to discuss it. You found it?
Yeah.
Because I went over that 4 times yesterday. So I will go over it more. Okay, I just want to know if you tricked us and it really wasn't there.
It's there. Yep.
Okay, that's what I wanted to know.
Quickly can you guys go back to, which one was I not getting? Okay, number 7 again. Sorry, explain that one to me. I guess I didn't write down how to do it.
Number 7?
So I'm looking, on that homework.
Okay, that's the possibility that it's going to go down.
10%.
So this is
10%.
Okay.
You need to find the 10%. So you add all of those up, and then
subtract
whatever. Then you subtract 1 minus all of those add up, and then that's 10%. Because remember, all the probability has to add up to 1. So when you add all those numbers given, and the number that isn't there, starts with 1.
And so that was 0.14. That's right. Got it. I don't know why that didn't even dawn on me. Okay.
Well, aren't you a little bit thrown, though, when you have a chart and you just have a question and go, oh, what do we do? It's just a little scary. So. And
yeah,
I'm
and
so
just
afraid.
we're going through a lot of different formulas and a lot of different numbers and stuff like that. So I'm sure it just is a little trying to remember which one goes where.
Well, and the one that throws me is it seems that in all of the like homework or the tests we've had, there's always one that says, you know, cannot be determined. And so I'm thinking that everyone
Is this
cannot
the
be
one?
determined.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that
Yeah.
they're not going to do that, but still.
Yep.
So that kind of throws. Oh, and last week I screwed up with median and mean.
Oh
And
yeah.
got a couple questions wrong, and I was so mad. So.
Well, I think with the probability ones, if it's not specifically stated, you can't assume anything because there's the element of chance, you know, involved. So you can't assume information that you don't have because, you know, for all we know, there's no student from Texas at all in the class, or for all we know, there's no, you know, there's no chance that it's going to, you know, McDonald's stock's going to go up by 10%. So you just can't assume anything with the probability stuff.
Yeah.
So did anyone do their homework quiz?
Yeah, I've done it.
Did you do good?
Yeah.
All right, then I will try that.
Well, sorry, I haven't done it yet. But was it okay, Shari?
Yeah, I didn't find this week was good for me. So.
Okay, good.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Anything else?
So lesson 5 on Thursday, huh?
So I've got a question for you guys, though, not math related. So what are your majors? Are you all marriage and family?
Marriage and family.
Okay. So
Yes.
have you guys seen? I mean, I'm new to this. Like, this is my first online other than Pathway.
Wow.
And I'm taking.
You just jumped right in.
Oh yeah. I thought I better go.
I waited.
Yeah, I'm at the end, and I waited the very last semester I could to take this class.
I had math with Pathway after 20-something years of not having a math class, so I thought I better jump while I still remember some of it.
Yeah, I haven't taken a math class. Let's see, my oldest is 19. He was about 15 or 6. Let's see, it was about 15 or 16 years ago. So.
Oh my gosh. Well, no, I'm taking 150, and it's in block, and so it's just super crammed full of everything. How did you guys get through that? I'm just, because I'm taking 162, and it's just crazy.
You grit your teeth, girl. You gotta make it halfway through.
Thinking I can do this for a few more weeks. It's not the whole semester.
Yeah, it'll go quick. Once you get past week 3, it seems like the semester goes a little faster.
Well, do you guys get stressed at all about like having to upload the videos and things when, like, I just did my career profile and
those things had tears both times. I was like, this should not be doing this to me, but I was in tears both times.
Oh no!
I hated those videos.
They're just painful because you just don't know how well you are doing, and you sound, you know, you're not supposed to say and you say 50 of them in 2 minutes.
Well, and it's kind of overwhelming too because you don't know anything about the major yet, and so you're trying to like pick a career that you have no idea what goes into it. You know? That's all.
How many more classes do you ladies have left?
I
have these 2 that I'm taking right now and 2 next semester, and then I graduate.
Oh, you are really. So, are you doing your internship next, or you already?
No, I already did that.
You already did it. How was it?
Good. It was good. I really liked it. I did it this last spring semester.
Oh, good.
Where did you do it at?
So did you do? Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
I did it with the Healthy Marriage Institute with Aaron Marston online.
Did you?
Oh.
And actually, he's hoping to get the grant today, and I'm hoping to get a job with him. So.
Awesome.
Oh, good.
Wow.
Good luck.
I was wondering about that.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Because that's kind of what I want to do. I want to do it. I want to work online again.
Yeah,
I used to work online, but
I still have a 2-year-old at home. Everyone else is in school or older, but I don't really want to go back to work with these.
Yeah.
Shari, how about you? How far are you in school?
I have 2 more years if I stick to my grad plan right now. But I'm probably going to be actually pulling back a little bit more, even just because my husband's probably going to end up going back to school. So.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I'll probably be like piddling along at 1 class a semester. So we'll see.
Oh wow.
I know how it is.
Yeah, but
So were you guys normally taking, like Krista and Shari, do you guys normally take like 2 classes and that's about all you do?
I went back 2 years ago, and I didn't do Pathway because I'd been to BYU Idaho before, so if you had been, you didn't have to go to Pathway. So I took 5 classes my first semester back, and then took 4, and took a semester off, and then last I did 3, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Oh,
Yeah, I've taken 3 a couple times, and it was depending on the classes. Like
Yeah,
some semesters it was really manageable, and other classes it was really tough. Like when I was taking the psychology classes, those are really demanding for me, and so just taking the 2 classes was enough to keep me really, really busy. And this semester, fortunately, I'm just taking 2 classes. I'm taking the 160 class as well. And man, I feel like I'm having a little breeze right now. So I'm sure it's gonna get worse as the semester goes. But like, given my last couple semesters, I feel like I'm kind of having a nice break. So.
Well, I spent the entire day yesterday doing math, and so that's totally stressing me out. But this video chat stresses me out too. Just trying to get ready for it, and not sound like a total ninny. So.